Good morning, students. Now, today we are in the seventh unit, that is money and time. Under it, we are going to study about adding money. So, students, in this lesson, we are going to add, we are going to perform addition of money. So, before that, we need to know some terms related to money. So, students, money is expressed in rupee and paisa. Money is expressed in rupee and paisa, whereas 100 paisa makes 1 rupee. So students, in 1 rupee there is 100 paisa. So students, you can see on the board, money is expressed in rupees and paisa. सो मनीलाई हामीले रुपी र पैसामा एक्सप्रेस गरिन्छ भने 100 पैसा इज इक्वल टु 1 rupee. So it means, students, in 1 rupee there is 100 paisa. 1 रुपियाँमा 100 पैसा हुन्छ. So now students, let's perform some questions. Your question is, add rupees 45.43 and rupees 5.98. And students, remember one thing, rupees 45.43, it means the number towards right of the decimal. The number towards right of the decimal means this portion. डेसिमल देखि राइट पोर्सन को पार्टलाई हामी पैसा भन्छौँ स्टुडेन्ट्स, एन्ड द पोर्सन टुवार्ड्स लेफ्ट अफ द डेसिमल देखि लेफ्टतिरको पोर्सनलाई हामी के भन्छौँ स्टुडेन्ट्स, रुपीज. सो वी क्यान रिड इट एज 45 रुपीज 43 पैसा. In this way also we can read. So similarly, here is rupees 5.98, which means 5 rupees 98 पैसा. डेसिमल भन्दा अगाडिको रुपीज हो भने डेसिमल भन्दा पछाडिको पैसा. So it is 5 rupees 98 पैसा. So students, now let's do the solution. So we have to add 45 rupees 43 paisa and rupees 5 rupees 98 paisa. So students, while adding, always you need to keep one thing in your mind, as there is decimal. While performing the addition of decimal, you should always keep one thing in your mind, and that is, while arranging these two numbers, you need to arrange them in a vertical. You need to arrange them in a column, and while arranging in column, decimal should be straight. We should line up this decimal in a straight way. हामीले डेसिमललाई स्ट्रेट लाइनअप गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. सो लेट्स solve it. So it is rupees 45.43. Now students, there is decimal and there is also decimal. While adding these two numbers, we need to arrange these two decimal straight up. It means another decimal should be just below this decimal. यो जुन डेसिमल छ अर्को त्यो पहिलेको डेसिमल भन्दा ठिक तल हुनु पर्यो स्टुडेन्ट्स. The another decimal must lies just below the first one. We are not supposed to put the decimal over here or over here. The decimal should be just below the first one. एउटा straight line up, straight हुनु पर्यो. So now students, we can see before decimal there is 5, decimal अगाडि 5 छ, so let's write 5, and after decimal there is 98. Now let's add these two amount. So now students, addition of money is same as addition of whole number. So let's add. So students, 3 plus 8 is your 11. 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 4 it is 5. 5 plus 9 14. 1 will be carry over. So once again 1 plus 4 5 is your 6. 6 plus 5 is your 11. But students, while solving the portion before decimal, we need to adjust. We need to put the decimal in answer just below the above one. हामीले अगाडिको पोर्सनलाई सल्भ गर्नुभन्दा पहिले डेसिमलको सिधा आन्सरमा पनि हामीले डेसिमल नै राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. And then we are supposed to perform addition. So now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Now again 1 will be carry over. So now 1 plus 4 is 5. Now rupees will be rupees. So in this way we have added 45.43 and 5.98, which means 45 rupees 43 paisa, 45 rupees 43 paisa and 5 rupees 98 paisa. The result is 51 rupees 41 paisa or rupees 51.41. So students, in this way we can perform addition of decimal. Now let's see another question. So students, here we need to add 48 rupees 63 paisa and 163 rupees 20 paisa. So let's add. First we need to write 48.63, which means 48 rupees 63 paisa. Now we are going to add rupees 163 and 20 paisa. As I have already explained, while performing the addition of money, the decimal should be arranged straight up. So students, this decimal we should keep just below this one. So students, we can see before decimal there is 163. So 163. So after decimal there is 20. So let's write 20. Now let's add. So students, 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. As I have already told you, before adding the portion before decimal, we need to adjust, we need to keep decimal in our answer vertically. So now we are going to add the portion before decimal. So 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry over. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is once again 11. Again 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 1 is your 2. So this is rupees. So students, in this way The addition of 48.63 rupees and 163.20 rupees is rupees 211.83, which means rupees 211 and 83 paisa. So students, hope you have understood today's class very well. So here I would like to give some questions as your home assignment. So students, here I have provided 4 questions as your home assignment. Hope you will do it. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.